$1 million. That is not just the price of a sports car, a luxury mansion deposit, or a private jet ride. It is also the price tag of a Rolex.
But why?
What makes a Rolex command seven figures when you could buy a decent watch for less than 50 bucks? Today, we are cracking open the world of ultra-luxury timepieces and revealing precisely what makes a Rolex worth $1 million. You will want to stick around because the final reason might blow your mind. Segment 1. The legendary craftsmanship. Rolex is not just a watch, it is an engineering marvel. Every part of a Rolex is meticulously handcrafted precisely, making even NASA jealous. And while most watches are assembled in factories, Rolex has its in-house foundry where it creates its gold. Yes, you heard that right. Rolex does not just use gold, it makes gold. Imagine making your own money instead of earning it. Sounds nice, right? But craftsmanship alone is not enough to hit the $1 million mark. So what else makes these watches ridiculously expensive? Segment 2. Exclusive materials. Here is a little Rolex secret. They do not settle for ordinary materials. While most luxury watches use standard stainless steel, Rolex insists on 904L steel, which is more rigid, shinier, and corrosion-resistant. That is right. Your Rolex could survive better than your car in rough weather. And when it comes to precious metals, Rolex goes beyond traditional gold and platinum. They experiment with meteorite dials, rare diamonds, and even mother-of-pearl that looks like it belongs in an art museum. So, if your Rolex can survive a deep-sea dive, resist scratches, and outshine your jewelry, does that technically make it more reliable than your ex? Just saying. But we are just getting started. What pushes a Rolex into the $1 million club? Let's talk about history. Segment 3. The power of heritage and provenance. A Rolex is not just a timepiece. It is a time traveler. Some of these watches have gone to the top of Everest, plunged into the deepest ocean trenches, and even graced the wrists of the most influential people on Earth. When a Rolex has a story, its value skyrockets. For example, Paul Newman's Rolex Daytona. It sold for a mind-blowing $17.8 million. Why? Because it was not just a watch, it was history on a wrist. Owning a rare Rolex is not just a flex. It is like holding a ticket to an exclusive club where the price of entry is measured in millions. But wait, what if I told you a Rolex could also be an investment better than stocks? Segment 4. The Rolex as an investment. Forget stocks, forget crypto. Rolexes are one of the safest investments in the world. Unlike cars that depreciate the moment you drive them off the lot, some Rolexes appreciate faster than a startup in Silicon Valley. The secret? Limited production. Rolex intentionally underproduces its most in-demand models, making them rarer than a unicorn in New York City. Supply stays low, demand skyrockets, and prices? Well, they hit the moon. If only we could apply this strategy to our bank accounts. Produce less money and magically make it worth more. Genius. But hold on. There is one final reason that a Rolex is worth $1 million, and it is one you probably did not expect. Segment 5. The psychology of luxury. Here is the real kicker. Rolex is not just selling a watch. They are status of sale, power, and prestige. When you see a Rolex on someone's wrist, you do not just see a watch. You see success. You see exclusivity. You see someone who has made it. And let's be honest, who does not want to be part of that club? Luxury is not just about quality, but the feeling it gives you. That is why people do not just buy a Rolex, they invest in a dream. So what makes a Rolex worth $1 million? It is a perfect storm of craftsmanship, rare materials, legendary history, investment potential, and the psychology of status. It is more than a watch. It symbolizes ultimate success. Now the only question left is, if you had $1 million, would you spend it on a Rolex? Or would you buy something else? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown of luxury watches, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more mind-blowing insights into the world of wealth and exclusivity. Until next time, keep leveling up your knowledge and maybe start saving up for that Rolex. See you in the following video.